Hello there, welcome back to the Gardening Guys with myself and Michael. So obviously we've just got down the allotment. It is quite late in the day, but we have been busy a lot lately. So obviously I've just come down and I've noticed that there is a lot which last time I was down here has started to grow, and obviously these, which is the carrots, and obviously the parsnips as well, I've done really well since I've took the netting off. I've started to obviously thin them out so that the remainders can obviously get a lot bigger, which is like dinner plate size, instead of like bite size. So yeah, so I'm just going to go and have a look through here now and see what's what.
Shall we throw a quick curveball in?
Yes, we can.
Because people are used to obviously just seeing one person
yeah
on camera, aren't they?
They
I think
are,
you know where I'm going with this now, don't you?
So, a good little purchase from Amazon. We ended up, instead of obviously Michael following me about, or me following Michael about with obviously the camera, we decided to invest in like a little GoPro stand, which the phone is sitting on right now,
Which allows
and that allows Michael to also be in the the video, as you've just seen. So it's definitely, from what I can see at the moment, a really good purchase. It folds away very compact, very neat, into its own little carry bag. You can have it over your shoulder, or it folds up that tight.
It goes right into a backpack.
It goes right into a backpack, so you can just push it into its sleeve, put it back in your backpack, and away you go, or flip it over your shoulder. Yeah, really
It was a good purchase.
Good purchase, yeah. So obviously, just for a quick one, so I'm going for the carrots, like I said, doing really well. We've had quite a bit of rain, about a week, if that, now, of rain. It was absolutely bone dry. We had a big scare on our allotments, because Birmingham City Council can't really afford, obviously, the water bill. So we was getting to that point of drought where we was, touch wood, we didn't want it to, but there was like, we're gonna have to turn the water off if it gets too much. But it didn't. We had some rain, and that's really done the plants and vegetable and obviously the ground really good. So right, I'm going to demonstrate now on what I'm doing. A lot of people, especially with the little scraggly ones, they will pull them up out the ground, brush them off and eat them straight off the bat. Yes, that is what I'm going to do. A lot of people go, oof, like, what, don't you wash them first? Like, what about the creepy crawlies? I can 100% guarantee that fresh grown organic vegetables straight out the ground will not harm you.
There is no chemicals with
There's
these either.
no chemicals used on my allotments. I do not believe in it. I'm not going to be a hypocrite. I used to use them and I didn't see any good results in them at all. I only seen negative. So since I've been doing it the organic way, I've had quite a bit of a, my luck's gone up, keeping slugs away, anything from green fly in your greenhouse. There's lots of different natural remedies that you can use. So I'm going to try and put those links in, so you'll be able to look on them. So yeah, so this is what I do. So I just go through them all. When I've done the bed, I just done lines, sprinkled the seeds in. I haven't touched them apart from giving them water, and this is the stage now that they've got to. Apart from obviously doing a few bit of weeding, haven't touched them, haven't pulled them.
When I weeded it, they were only where your knee is high. They weren't. These and the parsnips are pushing out of the cage to the point we've taken the netting off. Yeah.
So this is what I'm going to do. So I've already slightly started ahead of us to pull some of them out. I will get Michael to turn the camera if you can. So that's all of them there, little stragglers. Oh, they're not going to be wasted. They will be on the way home, definitely.
Or Sunday dinner.
Exactly.
Baby carrots.
Yeah, definitely. 100%. Yeah.
And there's them, and
you can steam them as well.
Yeah, there's them there, and there's some on the other side.
There is, yeah.
Which
so
is
we will be using
just down there.
Yeah, definitely.
I've just noticed
using them.
When you tilt the camera forward, you can actually see the tripod.
You can indeed.
I didn't realise it went that far forward.
Yeah. So here we go. So I'm just gonna have a look, see which is the biggest one, which I can find. So there you go. Pat the ground back. Give it a good shake off. So, carrot might only be a baby one, but these are the ones that you want to be taking out in between the others that you want to grow quite big. Don't waste them. Don't chuck them on the compost heap like I've seen loads of people doing. You can cut them up. You can use them for stews. You can use them for washing off and putting in your kids' packed lunches to go to school with. There's a lot of different things that you can use baby carrots for. So all I do, make sure I give it a wash. Or well, not a wash, but a wipe. Man's work clean, so end of it, don't want to eat that. Push it over there, make sure it's all, and then that's actually quite
sweet.
Good. And that is really sweet, absolute. And I'll be honest with you, a bit of dirt in your digestive system, believe it or not, does help your digestive system to build up your immune system. So if you ever get ill or whatnot, you'll fight it off a lot faster. But that is absolutely fantastic. It's really sweet, and I always look forward to things like this because you've spent most of your time growing it, putting all your love and energy into it, coming down the allotment on Friday afternoon.
Friday evening.
Well, Friday evening, should I say. Eating a few carrots. That is absolutely beautiful.
Now that's compost.
Obviously, when you're done, you can't eat that at all. So just like that, and I shall show you. Compost bin right here.
Nice thing as well, you can actually pick this tripod up.
Yep. And then all you do is you just get it like that in the compost and it's gone. And that'll rot down then and become more compost then for the following year. Obviously you can see that my bays are all getting pretty full now. So yes, there is a few weeds in there because it's obviously open, but I normally get them out and I give it a digging over. I'll try as much as I can to keep turning it, to get it composted down. But yeah, definitely, definitely, that's what you want to do. So
I'll let you finish that off.
Yes, okay. So guys, thank you ever so much for tuning in again. I'm sorry it's on your, like a small preview, shall I say, but yeah, there's lots more on the way because it's late. So but obviously thanks for all your help and suggestions, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe as well. And if you've got any comments, don't forget to put them in the comments below as well. And we shall see you all very soon. From me and Michael from the Gardening Guys, it's goodbye for now, but take care and we shall see you soon.
They call me a